watch it crumble, see the drowning, watch the fall. I feel just terrible about it. That sarcasm, let it burn. Gonna make a toast when it falls apart. I'm gonna rain my glass upon my heart. Then someone shouts, that's what they get. For all the years of hidden rubber, all the pitchfork behind VH1, when it all their money go, don't we all know? Parasitic music industry, as it destroys itself, we'll show them how it's supposed to be. Music written from devotion, not ambition, not for fame. Zero people are exploited.